beautiful people, welcome back to today's video. How you all doing today? I hope you guys are good as always. Guys, today I decided to share this with you guys, what I'm going to be doing today. Actually, I've already started it. I was not in the mood to make video because sometimes it's not just me. I believe it's for everybody. Sometimes to carry camera, sometimes it's to me, I feel a little bit tired, and with the newborn, I swear it's not easy. But I was okay. Let me just share with you guys. I normally do this every time because of the kids. Today I want to be making chinchin and egg roll. But it's a long time I make egg roll. That was when I was in Germany. But chinchin I normally make it. But so just let me share with you. But I've already missed it because I never wanted to make the video. But I said okay, let me just share with you guys. Because my kids love it a lot. When I have it at home, I don't have a problem. Maybe to be sometimes they are disturbing. I will just give them this, eat enough and drink juice. They will be fine. So right now I just finished mixing it like about 15 to 20 minutes ago, because after mixing it I want to feed my baby. This is the flour. Because it's much, because I'm going to be making egg roll, just not much, like 6 egg roll of it. Yes, and the rest chinchin. But I don't know if I can be able to be doing small chinchin. Maybe I will just do small chinchin and do bigger one because of the time, and it take a lot of time doing it and frying it because of the new baby. But my husband is around anyway, because I will still bathe him, and later 6 or after 6 I normally bathe my baby. Here is the egg. I've already cooked it, and because it's not good when it has water, and is it water or water? English. I want to speak English. So I've already mixed it with baking powder, salt, sugar, butter, what next? Nut milk, and is that all? Yeah, nut milk, sugar, salt, baking powder, eggs. I add 2 eggs and butter to mix it, salt and also sugar, yeah. And also milk, latte. Yes, you can choose not to use latte anyways. You can still add a little bit of water to it. Depends what you want. And even if you don't have latte, it's not a problem. You can still use water, but I use latte and a little bit of water. So right now I want to start with the egg roll first. Just wrap it and start frying it. Then I'll start with the chinchin, because I want to do it so fast, like because of the new baby. Yes, because I wasn't ready for this. I think the time is already about 4 something. Yeah, so I'll just rush before with my baby. How you are guys doing? And thank you so much for all my old, my new, my returnees, my born subscriber. Thank you so much for being there for us, for this amazing family. Thank you so much. We really do appreciate you guys for these days. You guys have been supporting us, supporting this channel. We say very big thanks to you. And if you are new on this channel, you will be watching, you are not yet subscribed, or you just come across this channel for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe and turn your bell icon. Anytime we upload, you will be notified. Thank you so much, and I'm really grateful. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. So guys, without wasting much of the time, let's get into the video. So my kids are inside. I don't want to stop. I don't want to shout, because if they come here, they will be touching. So I might confused. So since Papa is inside and they are inside too, even if they come here, I'm going to pursue them. I don't want. very brown. If I wanted to get one self, because of the kids, they are disturbing me, but it's okay.
Hello, I cut it.
I still have here, and I still have the one that I have not fried. So when I'm done finish frying everything, I will show you guys how it looks. And I'm just frying it here. The kids are here. So guys, I'm done with the chinchin and egg roll. Okay, look at my boy. Look at the way he just hold it.
Hi guys, I'm eating.
Eh? What did you say?
I'm eating.
What are you eating?
I'm eating.
What are you eating?
I'm eating.
What is this?
It's basketball. I eat.
Say egg roll. You are eating egg roll.
I eat egg roll.
Leave there. Wisdom want to talk. Wisdom, what are you eating? Who asked you to sing? They sing. No, they sing. So this is the chinchin, guys. I just put it here to cool down. The egg roll is almost finished. Okay, you can see my husband has take one. I have eat one, and the egg roll is so delicious. You can see the kids with one as well.
Okay, guys, I eat it.
So the egg roll is the remaining two. I said let me share with you. So I'm done making it now. Then I have dishes here to wash. Let me just wash it so baby is not sleeping, he's awake. Then after washing it, I've already cleaned the gas. Then I will just go ahead and bathe my baby. See with the Valentine, you did not eat it. You don't put your teeth and leave it. You are going to eat it and you are going to finish it. This chinchin is so delicious, guys. I thought that I wanted to make big ones too, but I don't have the strength to cut all of them. Then I tried to make it small. Okay, and guys, I will catch you guys in another video. I love you all so much. Let me just quickly go and wash the dishes, then go inside and bathe my newborn. One love. Look at my kids. Overfeed the water on Nabi. Now overfeed the water on Nabi.
Wait. You don't laugh finish, you just want the wrong go. No, now press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button, press on to subscribe. Now yeah, press that bell. That school bell, press on to the get our notification. Now if you dey go, thank you. I love you.